Hey guys, Pratik here for Intense Info. This channel is Pertintopedia. In this video, we will talk about the cosmology in brief. We will talk about how the universe began and its development over the period of time. I have tried to explain it through simulation. I hope you guys will understand this in better sense. Let's get started. By observing and analyzing the radiation coming from outer space, scientists have learnt about our origin, about how the universe started and evolved with time. If I talk about the size of the observable universe, it is currently estimated to be 93 billion light years in diameter. If I explain the meaning of light year, it means the distance which light covers in a year, and the speed of light is about 3 lakh km per second. So now you calculate if you want the whole figure in numeric terms. Now let's understand the universe term. The universe is everything that exists, from the smallest particle on Earth to the vast galaxies of deep space. Every aspect of it, including space and time, came into existence in the Big Bang theory, gigantic detonation that took place about 13.7 billion years ago. At that time, the universe looked nothing like it does today. The portion of the universe we can see today was only a few millimeters across, and it has been expanding, cooling, and changing since then. The hydrogen and helium of the very young universe formed stars, which in turn produced all the other elements in today's universe, including those that make Earth and everything on it, including you. Let's understand the Big Bang. In starting, the universe was unimaginably small, dense, and incredibly hot. Inside a trillionth of a second, it ballooned from being smaller than an atom to bigger than a galaxy. It was made of tiny particles of energy that turned to particles of matter. Within a few minutes, the universe was made almost entirely of the nuclei of hydrogen and helium atoms. Now let's understand the cosmic background. By looking at the heat left over from the Big Bang, known as the cosmic microwave background radiation, scientists are able to build up a picture of the early universe. This image is a heat map of the universe 370,000 years after the Big Bang. It shows that matter was not evenly distributed. The hotter areas red are more densely packed regions where galaxies will form. The red areas are extremely hot. Now let's come to the formation of galaxies. Over millions of years, hydrogen and helium clumped together to form vast clouds. These broke into fragments which collapsed under gravity and became stars. About 1 billion years after the Big Bang, a universe of dwarf galaxies had formed. These collided, merged, and changed shape to become spiral and elliptical galaxies. Some of the most remote galaxies visible with present technology, each consisting of billions of stars. Galaxies and stars account for just 15% of all the matter in the universe. Now let's talk about the young Milky Way. The Milky Way galaxy, the galaxy we live in, formed at the same time as the other galaxies. Not all of the today's Milky Way stars existed at that time. Since its beginning, the galaxy has produced stars that shine brightly for millions or billions of years, but that die eventually. Their remains produce a new generation of stars. Now let's talk about the birth of solar system. The solar system formed from a cloud of gas and dust inside the disk of the Milky Way galaxy. The spinning cloud, known as the solar nebula, collapsed in on itself under the force of gravity about 4.6 billion years ago. It first formed a central sphere, the young sun, and then the unused material surrounding the sun formed the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Now let's talk about the formation of the moon. Earth formed as ever larger lumps of unused material collided and joined together. Young Earth was hit by a Mars-sized asteroid about 4.5 billion years back. Molten rock from the collision splashed into space. This formed a ring of rubble around Earth which clumped to form a large sphere, Earth's moon. Now let's talk about our home planet, Earth. The third rock planet from the Sun is the only place in the universe where life is known to exist. Life started in its oceans at least 3.7 billion years ago. Bacteria-like cells evolved into sea creatures, then land-based plants and animals. Humans first walked on Earth about 1 million years ago. At last, have a look of planet Earth spinning in space. So that's it for now. I hope this has added some value and was worth your time. Please share it with your friend and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any suggestion for me, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.